Starbucks brews up AI to support baristas instead of replace them. So in a previous stream, I covered how Starbucks was looking at completely replacing baristas with AI. So you'd walk up to the counter, and instead of a barista greeting you and making your coffee for you, which a survey was done by customers of Starbucks, and they said they don't like that. There's some preference to having a human take your order and watching them make your coffee. Jokes ensue, I'm sure. But Starbucks kind of let that go and said, no, okay, fine. We're not going to replace baristas with AI. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to do a flagship program where we provide baristas with an iPad with AI in it, and then the baristas can use the AI to flip through manuals or search for answers, or look up drink recipes, troubleshoot equipment, create a help ticket if in-store repairs. The managers can also use it for managing staff, inventory, scheduling, HR. All of this kind of information can be supplemented with an AI system. Now, this is, okay, I'm going to try and be a little bit objective about this, all right? If you take really, really briefly, so we can get through these articles. If you take this in a vacuum and you go, well, AI is supposed to be a supplement, right? We'll just give people an iPad and they have a supplementary AI and they can do all kinds of stuff with that supplementary AI. I'm not fully opposed to that. I think it's okay to at least consider it and try it out. I don't think it's the end of the world to give baristas, for example, an iPad with AI in it so they can ask basic questions. However, stepping outside of that vacuum, if you bundle in all of the problems that I've covered on these very streams, going on to 67 episodes now, with regards to AI, the security issues, the mental atrophy that comes from AI, the issues around hallucinations, incorrect answers, etc., I can see that there is indeed a big problem here. Security alone would be enough for me to say this should not be happening, because what you're going to end up doing is you're going to be putting in personal information about people who order, information about individual Starbucks inventory, their scheduling, all of that into an AI system, which could be hacked. And it's really not that hard to hack these AI systems these days. And I think that's a bad place, a bad position to put yourself in. I think it's too risky to do it. And if I had to guess, I would say that's probably going to happen. As Starbucks does this, they are probably going to suffer from a hack or some other issue with these AI systems. I just don't think they're ready for this. I don't even think that they will ever be ready for something like that. But we'll see what happens.